Hello everyone and welcome to this Podcastpage tutorial where we'll be showing you how to build a professional podcast website. And this does not require any coding. In order to do this, you're going to go over to podcastpage.io and then select any of the buttons Get Started. We're going to be clicking Get Started for free. And this right here is the sign up page. We have the link to Podcastpage in the description so you can get a head start. So right here, we'll be choosing Sign Up with Google. And right here, we will be choosing the Google account we'll be using. Click on Continue to confirm. So right here, we will be needing to type in the name of our podcast website. Go ahead and put it in and click on Continue. We've got Checkout right here. Click on Continue. And then here you'll need to add your podcast. Here you can see import your podcast. You can put in your podcast or use an RSS feed URL. Of course, if you don't have any yet, you can click here to add one manually. So as you can see, we have the podcast title, the description, and we have the artwork to follow along. So after everything checks out, you can click on Create Podcast. Now on this page, you will need to select your theme. We'll just be going with the first option right here, Dizzy. And then here you can click on View Demo. Let's click on it and we'll be taken to a new tab where we can view the demo. You can see how the website looks like, pretty nice. And we can go back, select it. Then here you could upload your site logo, color scheme. After all of that is done, you can click on Save and Continue, or you can skip this, but we'll be clicking on Save and Continue. Now, as you can see, we've been taken to this theme customizer where we have our theme on the right side, which takes up most of the page. And then you have your left sidebar where you have some other functionalities and features that we can add to make our website unique. So of course, we have it right here and our website is looking great. You can go ahead and make some changes to the header and footer. You also have the audio player, podcast header, and here you can do everything to make your website different. But of course, we're using the theme and it looks really nice. You can go ahead and click on Edit Homepage, but assuming we've done all of this and this is what our website is looking like. Right here, we can click on Save All. You can see new episodes weekly, decoding the decentralized future beyond the crypto hype. Now you can see right here, we've not changed everything. And this is something you could change on your own. When you click on Edit Homepage, it's going to take us to this page. And here you can simply click on it, double click on it, of course, select everything and write what you want. Right, so we just changed that to welcome to the new view on crypto. All episodes, listen now. So when you click on this, you can see listen now. You could also change the text, also change the website URL, the target if you wanted to open in this window, or you could click it to open on a new window. This is really your choice. The button alignment is currently on the left. You could take it to the center or to the right. And then you have typography, such as a font family, basically everything you'll need to make your website look great. Then at the top right corner right here, you can use the enlarge option to collapse the sidebar. This looks more like the website which we'll be having when it's ready. Then of course you have the desktop view, the tablet view, and the mobile view. So this is great because it's compatible with the popular options and sizes for different devices. So this is really good. So now we're done. We can click on Update at the top right corner to save it. And you can see page updated. Then of course, if you want to see the sidebar again, you can click on it. We can come over here. Then at the top left corner, we can click on the podcast option right here to close the editor. And now that we're done with the editor, you can see the podcast page dashboard right here where you can view pages, memberships, podcasts, blogs, everything. And this here is our first podcast that we showed you while we were setting it up. So you can go ahead to the top right corner and click on View Site. And this opens up a new page for you, right? So this is pretty much your podcast website already. And when we go back, you can see some other options right here, such as integrations, customizations, video channels, etc. Then of course, right here, you can see My Site and you can see Tech Aisle. When we click on it, you can see one blog post and one podcast. There are more things you could do, of course, such as adding integrations, connecting your domain, and choosing your plan. So if you have a domain already, you can go ahead and connect your domain, And this will make it look more professional when you get to have your website with just your name without the podcast page domain. But of course, we've been able to create our podcast website. And then while we're here on the podcast page, under pages, you can go over to podcasts, click on your podcast, Decoding Decentralized Future. And then right here, you can see that there are no episodes just yet. You can click on Add Episode. And here you can see episode title. Click here to update the episode's media. We're going to click on it. Then here you're going to put in the episode's audio or video URL, then embed audio and video player if you want to. Then of course you could add the episode video right here if you want to. So if you're wondering how to do this, you'll need to upload your audio somewhere, maybe on your Google Drive, and then add the episode URL. Make sure that the link is accessible to all before putting it right here. And then when you're done, you could go ahead and click on publish. This will ensure that your podcast episode is published on your Podcastpage podcast website. Don't forget to check the link in the description for Podcastpage so you can start creating your professional podcast website. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.